Today I am going to design Taaza Time with Generatepress and GenerateBlocks. Let's start the video. Here I am taking a container and now I am taking a inner container for adjusting the width. Maximum is 1200 and now check it. Here is two sections. One is this and another is take. Right, we are going to take it 75% and this 25 or 60 or 30. Let's check it. Here is I am going to take another container which is 60%. It is 60% and another one I am going to duplicate it and convert it into 25%, and I am going to changing the layout. It is flex and is side by side and going to give a space between time. Yeah, I am going to increase it because here is more space. I'm going to do 40%. Yeah, it is nice. Now I am going to design this section and this. First I am going to design it. Now I am going to take it is another section like 1 and 2. Here is a 2 section, so I am going to take a 2 section in it, like container 1. It is 60 or 55%. I am going to take it 55%, and another section is 45%. And now going to change the layout. It is flex and going to change a space between. Yeah, it is now. And I am going to design this section, and this is a loop, query loop, and I am going to post per page 1. Here it, and I am going to select the category like taxonomical category. Categories is news, and now it is showing the half because of the container size. I am going to take it 50. I am going to do 100%. Yeah, it is going to cover it, and now you can see it will cover the whole. Now I am going to removing the space area, and I am going to do a 5, or I am going to remove the space. Yeah, it is there, and I am going to remove it because there is no excerpt. That's why it is not showing here. And now I am going to design this area, and here is the spacing, border radius and spacing. I am going to change the border radius. Here it is a 20 pixel, no, 10 pixel. Yeah, it is a 10 pixel, and spacing I am going to do with 20 pixel. Now it is right. And now one thing more, I am going to change the color of the background. Color background. Yeah, I am going to remove it, and I am going to do the spacing between. Okay, here is no spacing. I am going to spacing between the two container from here. It is a 10 pixel. Yeah, we got it. I'm going to increase it. Yeah, it is right. We got a space here. Now I am going to design the another one. I am going to copy the loop and paste it here. Here is the only feature image and the post title. So I am going to remove the export and I am going to do it of 50%. So I am going to add a container and add a width 50%, and this is I am going to 50 or 45% because you got a space between it when I do flex and a space between. Yeah, we got it. And now I am going to change the header. I am going to paragraph, or we can go with the h3, or paragraph is good. And I am going to change the font. It is a 70 pixel. Yeah, we got it. And here is the thing. We are going to change the, here is a 1, that's why showing 1. I am going to change it 3, and we can see here is the 3, and I am going to add offset because this post is always returning here on the same container. That's why I am going to set offset 1, and we check this is removed from here, and done. It is showing here. And one thing, I am going to change the color of the container from here. I am going to change the link color to black and hover over it here, and when we hover over it, it will change into the blue color, right? We got it. And now I am going to save it and showing you how it is look. Yeah, you can get here. Wait, I am going to give a space, margin 60%, so we will get the clear view. Yeah, we will get here. Yeah, you can see it is created here, and export coming here when you have added it. And here is the 3. We can add more space between it when you have it. You can bold it. Now I am going to design the another section, this one, the take one, and for it I am going to add a heading. Firstly I am going to add a container. Yeah, and adding a paragraph, or we can say we can add it heading s3, and I am going to add it take, right? And I am going to add a space between these two. Where is and this okay, I am going to add a space of 20 pixel. We'll see it is get a space. And now I am going to add a icon. Yeah, this icon is here. Yeah, we can add the color of the icon, and we can add the size of, I am going to add it pixel, 20 pixel is right. And the text is also 20 pixel, and I am going to font weight 800. It is done. And now I am going to add a color, and this theme is blue, that's why I am going to add the blue color in the icon. And now I am going to add a hair icon, right, like this. And here it is. I have already create an icon for it, and you can see for the saving my time. And I am going to add it, like we can add it as a button, right. I am going to remove, and where is, yeah, I can going to add it. And we are going to remove the text, and I am going to remove a color of the background, you can see, and this one also. Okay, done. And I am going to add 20 pixel, yeah, you can see 20 pixel. I am going to remove the paragraph because it is okay. Now I am going to change the layout in the section, yeah, and this done. We can check it is done. And now in the layout I am going to do it a center. Okay, it is done. And I think I have to increase the pixel like 30 pixel at 25. Yeah, it is done. Now I am going to add like this border, bottom border in the container. So I am selecting the container and going to add a container like here 1 pixel. Yeah, you got it. And I am going to do the opacity, you can check here. And one thing more, I am going to adding a padding, bottom padding like 10 pixel for the space. Yeah, here it is. Can you see it? Yeah, I think border 2, it is looking good. Yeah, you can get. And here is a catch, in every text we have a by default bottom, so we remove it. So I remove it, and you can check it is looking good. Now I think we have add more bottom area, I mean bottom space, to look more good. Yeah, yeah, here it is. You can see we have created successfully the another one, and we can check. Yeah, it is done, right. I think I have to add more space, or we can leave it on you. You can change according to your requirement. I am going to add the this section. I have to just copy it, and I am going to add after it. Oh, yeah, I think you got it, the point. Here is the flex column and 20 pixel the row. And I am going to add size, minimum, maximum height, it so it look good. Flex by default hidden. Wait, I am going wrong. This is a container. Okay, I am going to remove it 30 pixel. I am going to 33, it is right, 33 or 66 for it. I think 64 looking good. Yeah, it is looking good. Yeah, you can check it. Now I'm going to add another just I'm going to changing the color of the text, because you can see it is a blue color, so I am going to remove it the black, and on the hover we can go, so we hover over it and it is done. Okay, you can check here, and this section is we are successfully created. You can check it. Yeah, this is this content is only for the dummy purpose, just to show you how to create a theme. You can add your content, and here is the thing. You have to, here is the loop. You can change the news. It is a category of the your news section. Like here is the take one, so you can add a take here, right? I am going to add another one, so let's start the another section. I am going to add the another one. I am not going to do hard work, that's why I am going to duplicate and remove all these things. And here is the three section, right? 1, 2 and 3. I am going to add the, here is the grid one, so we can do the fast. Okay, I am going to do default. Okay, got it. I am going to add just 20 pixel. We can select the 20 pixel, and we can see this section and this section are equal, so just I am going to copy it from here, like, yeah, I am going to copy from here and just add it here. Okay, got it. And it is auto. And here is the thing, we have alt tag, so I am going to add a arrow alt code, right? And I am going to do where it is, let me search. Here it is. I think we got it from here, arrowhead. Okay, I'm going to copy it and select it here, right? Yeah, you can get it, right? Now here, and you can check you got it. Okay, like this section is there, so now I am going to add the another one. This is the business one, right? This is the auto. Okay, auto. And now I am going to change the icon of, yeah, you can see here is the icon of the auto, and done. And one more thing, we have to add the arrow column, and the row gap is 20 for it, and here, done. I think we have to add, it is think it is good enough for our requirement. I'm going to do, okay, done. And arrow business, right? News, you can add according to your requirement. I have done the hardest thing, you can see the idea from here. You can check here. I have removed, and here is the news. I think you got the idea, and I am going to do the responsiveness of it, and here I am going to show, just going to select it, and I am going to add a 100% for it, and 100% red, and the another on the column. You can check it is going to responsive on. And it is there when you go on. Okay, got it. Here is the inner line, you can check it, and when you go there it will wrap like in two rows, 1 and 2, and on a, when we go to a mobile, it will go in one row, right? And now you understand how you can design the theme like it, and just you have to copy the other, and we have a education one, right? It is a simple. I am going to do the same. Just copy it and duplicate, and I am going to remove from it, from here to this section, and going to remove it, and I am going to do 30%. Like you can see, it is a 30%, and this is column. So you got it, the point. I am going to remove this section. It is 100%, and this is the 100% also. Wait, yeah, we are near, I think. We can see we are here, and for it we can increase the typography 25 pixel. Okay, we can also change the color of the link to black, and hover over it, it will become blue. And same here, we are going to main container. Let me from here, yeah, just do the black and click here, and I think we have to do 20 pixel. Now it is, I think, good. Yeah, do the mistake. Now I think it is fine, and we have created the Taaza Time website. Let's refresh it. We can see this section and this one, and this. Oh, we have to add here I think we go here and add 20 pixel in the bottom. margin 20 pixel, and save, right? And we are successfully created the, and you can also create this on the footer. Let's create it. And same here, I am going to copy the container because I am not going to do the hard work, and create content between it, and going to do the margin, upper margin on 90 pixel. Okay, 90 pixel. In the inner container I am going to add the taza cover. Okay, we don't have, and I am going to add the lorem lorem ipsum. Yeah, I'm going to do the lorem ipsum for the code, and I'm going to add an image for it. Here is the two section, right? One is here, and this is the 70 and 20 pixel. I'm going to take it in a inner, so you got the point. I'm going to 70, I think it will good 20 pixel. Yeah, 20%, and the another one is 30 pixel. And now I'm going to change the layout to flex. Yeah, we got the point. I'm going to add the lorem ipsum. We wait, I am going to add the next time. I'm going to add the lorem ipsum code. You can add here your description like this. You can add the your contact us and your followers button. Image, I'm going to Taaza Time logo, Taaza Time logo. Okay, from here I think we got the image link. Okay, got it. With I think we have to add a bottom 20 pixel. Yeah, done. We can also add the color of the background similar to it. We are going to add the, yeah, I think it is good. And adding a spacing, it is 30 pixel and 30 pixel. Now you add your followers and icon button. Followers, we are going to add like I'm going to do the, okay, sorry, I'm going to add a button for it. Yeah, social media icon like this, and going to remove text from here. Yeah, and I have padding 10 pixel. We are going to add a border radius like 20. Yeah, done. And similarly you can add a more like it. just click and remove the icon from social icon, and you can add your, and you can see we are here on the same page. This section is created by us, and here you can create it good with investing more time on it. Like I am giving an idea on it, you can check, and it is a responsive according to me. Let's check it. I am going to show, and 100%. Okay, you can check it. And this section we are going to add from here. It is missed out the last time. Okay, I am going to, it is here good on the, yeah, we are going to just click here the column and going to set it 100% on the mobile. On the next it is also 100%. Yeah, we got it right. And we are going to here add a space between it. It is a 40% or according to your requirement, like you can see. And when we are going to, yeah, you can see here it is, we got the responsiveness. And we check from here. I am going to, okay, you can see the responsiveness of it. Like I am going to remove from here, like this is in bottom. If we got a more idea, clear idea on it. I think it, okay, you can see it is here. And we go, it is wrap, it will wrap, like you can see in the bottom. And now when go on the clearly, it will go behind it, like you can see at it, it is responsive. Thank you for it.